Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350 and let me show you how to add screen lock on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and click on security. So it's under location. Here you will notice screen lock, so just open it. And now you can select the way of unlocking the screen that you would like to have. So as you can see, it can be voice unlock, face unlock, slide, none of them, or pattern, pin, or password. So let me pick, for example, pin code. Now enter the one that you would like to have. Remember that it must have at least 4 characters. Then tap on next. Now confirm it one more time. So in my case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And tap on next. And that's it. As you can see, now your device is protected with this pin code. Without it, no one will be able to unlock it. That's it. If you would like to switch off the screen lock, just open the settings one more time. Pick screen lock, enter the one that you currently have, tap on next, and select none on slide. Let me pick slide. And as you can see now, you can easily unlock your phone without any pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.